Welcome back to CBS 2 News at 9 a.m. on this Tuesday, and only Tuesday, but plenty of financial news this week, including the latest report on inflation released just this morning. CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger joins me to break it all down. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
You've been kind of busy.
Yeah, a little, just a little.
All right, we're going to get to the inflation numbers in just a moment, but with the two banks collapsing, the big question for everyone is, oh my gosh, do I go to my bank? Do I pull everything out?
First of all, remember that if you have less than $250,000 in an account, you're probably protected by FDIC insurance. And just think about this. We've talked in the past, and I say, oh my gosh, Americans aren't saving enough. So we're talking about a fraction of people who have more than that $250,000. Now, if you do have more than $250,000, maybe you're an organization, a for-profit, a non-for-profit, you've got extra cash. It is probably an important thing to think about, well, how are we managing that cash? Should we have money in different banks? I like keeping it under that FDIC limit, but that said, Signature Bank customers as well as Silicon Bank customers are actually completely protected because over the weekend, the Fed basically put backstops in place and they said, hey, anyone who has any money at these two institutions, you're backed up. Don't worry. One really interesting thing that happened, though, is that unlike in the financial crisis, this time around they said we're going to protect depositors, shareholders. If you own stock in these companies or your management in these companies, you are going to actually see huge losses. And so the shareholders are essentially wiped out.
All right, Moodys just put First Republic Bank and 5 other U.S. lenders on watch for potential downgrade. Is there a concern there?
Well, listen, they're on downgrade because remember, what does a ratings agency do? It says, what is the credit worthiness of this institution? So credit agencies do this for governments and municipalities and companies. And I think when you see a company like First Republic have an incredible amount of losses in its stock price, and you look at the amount of money that it has in deposits over that $250,000 threshold, there is some fear that it may not have the wherewithal to pay back its creditors in a timely fashion. That's what this credit rating agency is doing. It says, do you pay your money back on time, Cindy? Or should we say that you should, maybe if you're a bondholder, if you're going to lend money to Cindy or First Republic Bank, maybe you should get a little more interest. It puts more pressure on these companies for sure, but they are rallying this morning. I know that we're not open yet, but when you look at early indications of the markets, we are seeing a little bit more buying in some of these regional banks.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, now to the report. What do the new inflation numbers tell us?
So inflation is still a problem, but when you look at annual inflation, prices were up 6% from a year ago through February, and that's an improvement because it was 6.4% in January. I think there are still real problems in the inflation numbers because what we're seeing is shelter costs still high, have not adjusted yet. We hear that a lot in the tri-state area. People who are renting, they're really concerned about rents really staying high. Food and energy, there is some price easing, but again, still high in those areas. This report does put the Federal Reserve in a very strange position, and here's why. Inflation's still high. And before this bank crisis began a week ago, the Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, had actually laid out this idea that, hey, I'm going to raise interest rates more and keep them higher for longer. Now all bets are off. I mean, I'm talking to economists. They're pretty much split down the middle. Now they're saying next week when the Fed meets, maybe there's going to be a 1/4 percentage point increase. But a lot say because of this banking, I don't want to say crisis, but issue, that there is some notion that the Fed might pause and do nothing next week. We'll have to see.
Wait. Jill, thank you so much for being here and breaking it all down for us.
My pleasure.
Now you can see more of Jill on CBS Mornings and the CBS Evening News with Norah O'Donnell. For more analysis, go to JillOnMoney.com.